Jim, how's it going? So you're looking to connect two paddles together, right? Okay. Well, here, let me clear off all of the electrical stuff, and then we'll take a look at it that way. So I think I only have maybe about 4 more lines to go, and then I know where everything actually is. So we'll keep our fingers crossed. All right, one sec, let me get set up. Alrighty, so you need 2 paddles and you need some rope. So let's give it a shot. First thing is, at the very end, all you're gonna do is you need to have a figure 8. Is simply threading it through the paddle like that. Okay? All right, so let's give it a shot. All right, so if the bottom of the paddle is super square, it makes it a lot easier. So, but you can do it on kind of roundy ones, but really roundy ones, it doesn't really work, okay? All right, and so your paddles are just gonna go like that, and then you're all set. So the first thing we're gonna do is you connect your one paddle right at the very end of it like that, okay? Put the other paddle on the top. Now, it doesn't really matter which way, so, but you're gonna angle it over the top like that and bring it under. So see how it crosses over the top that way? All right, then you're gonna go right to the bottom of the paddle like that. And you're gonna loop it around the other end at least once, okay? So there's what it looks like. On the other side, that's what it looks like there, okay? Now that we got that set, we're gonna bring this side and we're gonna thread it through the paddle that way, okay? That's where we got. Now I'm gonna pull. I pull really tight and I roll it right around, and I'm gonna put it through the other side as well. Now, once I get it like this, it's pretty well done. But if you want to make it so extra sturdy, you can cinch it as tight as you want and wrap it right around and either make your connection here on this one, or you can make your connection here on this other one. So either way will work. Usually, this one is your easiest or the nicest one to do. And so the more you want it tight, the more you simply keep wrapping it around until it's all set. So I can do it like that, put it underneath, through, and then just your loop knot, and there you go. It's all set. And then it's gonna stand up. You can use it for whatever you like. Alrighty? So, good luck and enjoy quite a go. All right, talk to you later. And the Jeep is coming along, so it'll be done in no time. All right, let's try this one more time. So all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna make a figure 8 and make your loop so that you got something to work on, okay? From there, put your one paddle down, put your other paddle down. On the end of one paddle, I'm just going to loop my rope through and cinch it up nice and tight. All right, so there she is. So, put the other paddle on top, and I'm going to lay the rope over top of that one paddle. All right, so then I'm going to go underneath like that, and then I'm going to wrap it around the end of the other paddle at least once. Once you get it like that, then you're going to tighten her up a little bit, and that'll help too. All right, there she's nice and tight. Now I'm going to go up to this guy, put him under, so that it looks just like that. Okay? From there, I'm going to cinch her nice and tight, and then I'm going to rotate it right around like that. And see this little guy that's on the other side of that paddle? I'm going to flip, tighten up, and all I got to do is do my loop knot, and there you go. You got your two paddles connected together. Okay? If I wanted to make it extra sturdy, which sometimes you need, especially if the paddle's more of a roundy one, I simply go, tighten it up, and I rotate it all the way through over to the other side, and then just come back and connect it to whichever one you want. Either this one or this one, whichever one you think is going to make it more solid. So I put it through, give it a little cinch, and there's your loop knot. And now you got your pole in order to put your tarp on or whatever you like. All right? And so that's how you connect two paddles together. All right. Good luck, Jim, and enjoy. Talk to you later.
We might need some more rope.